Zambia is sitting on what could be the biggest maize surplus in its history, and it could shake prices across the entire African region. This episode is made possible by Collateral Management International and Zamatic Irrigation Systems. Collateral Management International, or CMI, works across the continent, helping banks and other financiers keep their commodities secure and well managed. With over a decade of experience, they're known for their reliable storage solutions, trusted staff, and professional stock monitoring and inspection services. CMI helps make sure everything runs smoothly and securely. CMI, your trusted collateral manager in Africa. Prices in Lusaka, Zambia traded as follows. Maize on $325, wheat on $510, soybeans on $520, and soy meal on $510 per metric ton. Before I get started, I know many of you aren't subscribed or following us on our YouTube channel yet. Please take a second to check and subscribe. It really helps us grow and continue bringing these insights to you. Thank you for your support, and if you're looking for deeper insights into African soft commodity markets, contact Jacques today to access Commodity Insight Africa's full weekly report.
Welcome to this week's podcast, where we will discuss the potential impact of the past week's Zambian government announcement that restrictions on maize and maize meal exports have been removed. We will also comment on the recent government announcement of a 480,000-ton structured maize meal export program to the DRC. Before we dive in, let's briefly discuss the Zambia SND outlook for the next 12 months. As a starting point, this graph indicates our Zambia SND estimates. We are not going to discuss the 2025-26 marketing year, as we have done so on several previous occasions, and feel comfortable with our record large 1.5 million ton ending stock estimate for April 2026, and all of it belonging to the government. We will focus on the 2026-27 marketing year, running from May 2026 to April 2027. The crop harvest that will gather momentum from next month had a near perfect growing season, and most production forecasts are record large, between 4 and 4.5 million tons. Even some speculation it could be closer to 5 million tons. We have included 4.2 million tons in our forecast. We expect consumption to increase significantly from 2.6 million tons to 3 million tons as we add maize milled for export into this number. At this stage, it seems maize supply in the region could be healthy the next 12 months, with Zimbabwe probably the only significant whole maize export option. We forecast maize exports at 500,000 tons and ending stocks at 2.2 million tons, another record. The Zambia government the past week removed restrictions on maize and maize meal exports, and the immediate question is how this could impact the SND. Firstly, lifting of the export restrictions was expected and necessary given the record high stock levels. It should have been lifted months ago. We have included 400,000 tons of additional maize consumption/milling volume into our 2026-27 SND forecast to accommodate expected maize meal exports to the DRC. We based this number on South African maize meal exports to the DRC during 2024-25, when Zambia had an export ban due to a very small crop. Our Zimbabwe maize import need estimate for 2026-27 at 800,000 tons. We believe Zambia and South Africa will share this market more or less 50-50, i.e. 400,000 tons each. There are only two bridges crossing the Zambezi River between Zambia and Zimbabwe that big trucks can use, which limit export volumes. Government recently announced a 480,000-ton structured maize meal export program to the DRC over a 12-month period. The announcement indicated the export arrangement will formally be coordinated and backed by government in collaboration with the Food Reserve Agency, or FRA. The market guess the government will contract private mills to toll crush FRA maize. 480,000 tons of maize meal during a 12-month period equates to 40,000 tons per month, which will be a big challenge to accomplish. The market is not convinced the entire indicated volume to the DRC will be executed, maybe only a small portion of it. The majority of expected maize meal exports to the DRC will probably be done by the private sector. The next question is, if Zambian maize meal can compete with South African origin product in the DRC, which it has not been able to do for the past 18 months. The recent increase in transport costs on the back of the Middle East conflict has seen South African maize meal less competitive in the southern DRC, and the Zambia product now landing at a 10 to 15% discount. So, in conclusion, Zambia could export close to 1 million tons of maize the next 12 months if one includes the maize equivalent of the expected maize meal exports to the DRC. However, the market expects 2026-27 ending stocks could significantly exceed the record 1.5 million tons of 2025-26, i.e., maize expected to come under significant price pressure short-medium term. Remember, quality information improves decision making. Contact us for more detailed, tailored information.
Thanks again to Collateral Management International and Zamatic Irrigation Systems for making this episode possible. Thanks for joining us this week. Until next week.